Hey, I'm Thomas from Blackrock, and I'm going to restore these boots that I bought from the estate sale from World War I. So our product is a cleaner and conditioner, something my grandfather started in 1976, and it's still his recipe that I follow to make this. To apply our product is just to get a little bit on your fingertips and then just start applying it in a circular motion. Whereas you want to hydrate the fibers really well, because that's where you want to make sure they're hydrated so the fibers are strong and they'll last longer, so they won't crack. They'll stay soft and supple, because you don't want your leather to get stiff, then it's just not comfortable to wear or use. A little bit of our product goes a long way. As you're rubbing it in, you can kind of feel the leather absorb it. So you don't want to apply too much product, because then you're going to clog the pores and then the leather will feel sticky. These boots played an important role in American history. They were used during World War I, so these boots are over 100 years old. You really want to apply some product in these stress points where the leathers really get worn. You can kind of see the patina here. We also use carnauba wax in our product, as opposed to a lot of other ones we'll use like beeswax, whatnot, but carnauba wax, it cleans the leather, it conditions it, and it rehydrates the fibers. So once you're done applying the Blackrock to the entire leather article, the next thing that I do is just take a shop rag and just kind of buff the leather out. And what that does is remove any excess product that's on the leather, and also lifts out the dirt and debris that's on it. And then you take a horsehair brush and brush the entire boot. Horsehair brushes are tough enough to get rid of the dust and debris, but they're soft enough so they're not going to scratch the leather. And so you're cleaning the boot and then also kind of replenishing and stirring up those oils again, so the leather's kind of getting restored. But yeah, we finished one boot, and you can kind of see a shot here of the before and then the after. We've restored some of that color and that life back into it. And you can kind of see the patina underneath it. And we'll let these dry. When I go to estate sales or something, when I'm looking for a pair of boots to restore, I kind of look for like the quality leather. You can tell by, the stitching on the boot, so like the welt that they used. These are World War I boots. Those are some of my favorite pieces to work on, because this is a third generation family business. And so our product is playing a small role in keeping this legacy and this heritage going.